Meaning of decidedly.
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 Decidedly. The word decidedly is an adverb that indicates a clear and unmistakable determination or certainty about an action or result. It is used to emphasize a particular characteristic or outcome that is beyond doubt or dispute. For example, if someone says, "I am decidedly not interested in attending the party," it means they have made a firm decision not to go and there is no room for negotiation. In other words, decidedly denotes a level of certainty or finality that leaves no room for doubt or ambiguity.